Snacks quarterly box. I guess that's what it is. It's the first time getting it. The last one I got was watercolor, right? So that comes every 4 months. Is that correct? And then this comes every 4 months. And then there's another one you can get, which is scrapbooking or something, which, or I don't know what it is, but I don't do that one. But I do these other two. So I've signed up temporarily. We'll see how it goes. So this is for fall, I suppose. So it's just the regular Art Snacks box. But I think it's like what used to be like the premier box, the bigger box that comes with like, it looks like it could hold like a sketch pad or something. So that's, I think, what it used to be. A new item. No, okay. Oh, no, it opens this way. Okay. All right, and all right. Okay, here you go, Murph. So one of these render pads, this is, I've had one of these before, but I had a smaller one, so it's kind of nice to have a bigger one. Like, you can use alcohol markers on it without it leaking through, so. All right, I got another one of these little things. I like these little bags. I haven't put anything in them, but I'm hoarding them. Some markers. Oh, and a cute little thing. Okay, so this is, just tells you what's in it. Okay, so there's a cute, oh, the sticker. Cute, it's got a little fall design on it. And another bag. Oh, there's something in it though. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here, okay. So they must have put the little stuff in there. So it's made of like a heavy felt fabric, and there's 3 sections. Okay, first off, we got some alcohol markers. Nice colors, like skin type colors. This looks like an eraser of some kind. It's a harder, well, it's not too hard. Kohinoor. And this is this looks sparkly. Metallic, water-based marker, and it's like a small, I don't know, like a small nib, I don't know. And then like the dot end. I've had these before, the Kuretake. And they have like a fine point on them. Yeah, I think that's what they call a fine point in markers. That. Pencil. Just a regular old pencil. H. I love these. Mega Graphite. These big fat pencils. I use these almost every day. They're really good if you're trace, like if you draw something and you want to copy it and put it on something else, you can use this for the graphite on the back, and it works really well because it's nice and thick. Smarties. I like those. I will eat those later. And a pencil sharpener. It looks like one of those long ones, like that gets the really extra fine point. So that's good. So that is what's in here. So I need to come up with something with these colors. It should probably be like a portrait maybe, but we'll see. I'll have to, I don't know, dig around and come up with a design. I like this little bag. You can put all your stuff in there. And if I take the markers out, which I will. Oh, let's see what kind of markers they are. It looks like a brush tip. That's good. I like the brush tips. And the chisel. So this is Art Alternatives. Is that Michael's brand? I've seen that brand before, but I can't think of where. So those are good. Could do a little swatch, I guess. We'll do it on this. Brown, like an orangey brown. Oh, that's nice. That's a good color. That's like burnt sienna. And then like a light sort of tannish pink, and then a pink, and oh, it's kind of similar, but it's a warmer color. It's like, I think it's ivory. Is that what it's called? Oh, I guess it's on here. But so those are the colors of the markers. And that other one is sparkly purple. Let me use this end so you can see it. Yeah, it's not too sparkly. It's just kind of shimmery, I guess. I like that. Metallic, so I guess it's not glittery or anything. And then this is, I think these are just water-based. Very thin. I'll do the other side of this marker too. So you got a couple of different lines, maybe I'll have to do like a portrait and the person will have purple hair or blue hair. So we'll see. I'll have to come up with something. I don't know. I have to look through my stash of art inspiration and see what I can come up with. All right, so I'll be back with that, and maybe I should do it in this book to see how that works. I found that when I had the other one, it curled up a lot, like the paper and the cover curled. So I didn't like that, but we'll see. I guess I can open it. I always like the covers. They feel really nice. So it's just thick paper. All right, I will be back when I've created something. Okay. Testing the new microphone. I don't know if it's going to make any difference, but anyway. So I took the materials from the Art Snacks box and tried to do a portrait, but there just wasn't enough. I mean, there was skin colors, but there weren't eye colors, and there weren't hair colors, and there weren't, clothing colors. So I made a mess. This came out awful. This purple is the shiny pen, which I didn't like. I don't know. It's not that I didn't like it. I don't know. So this is the purple metallic-y type pen, and then I went and added my own. I dug into my own stash of alcohol markers and added colors. I added some green. I added the red. I added some darker brown. I think some gray. Yeah, because there wasn't enough to do much with the as a portrait. So then I went and I did this because I know this looks a little bit better. um, and I think all the markers I used here were ones I already had. So, well, giddy. So yeah, the paper's good. I mean, the paper doesn't, seep through, but I knew that already. The markers, the alcohol markers they provided in the box were fine. There's nothing wrong with them, and I like them because they were brush tip. But yeah, I couldn't really do much with just what they gave me. So that's that. Yeah, so I wasn't aware that that was going to be the last box, but I guess I'm not too sad about it. I prefer the palettefull packs and the sketch box, so that's what I'll be getting from now on. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.